Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 6th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Electronic Arts, a leader in digital interactive entertainment. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss Electronic Arts' performance and their strategic outlook for the future.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Electronic Arts reported a net revenue of $7.463 billion for fiscal year 2025. John, how does this compare to their previous performance?
Electronic Arts saw a slight decline in net revenue compared to last year, which was $7.562 billion. However, they managed to maintain strong profitability with a net income of $1.121 billion and an adjusted EPS of 0.98 for Q4, which is quite impressive given the competitive landscape.
And what about their net bookings?
Net bookings for FY25 totaled $7.355 billion, driven by the success of their EA Sports portfolio and the American football franchise, which exceeded expectations with over $1 billion in net bookings.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, can you elaborate on Electronic Arts' operational efficiencies and their outlook for the next fiscal year?
Certainly. EA generated $2.079 billion in operating cash flow for FY25, showcasing their strong cash management. They also repurchased 17.6 million shares for $2.5 billion, reflecting their commitment to returning value to shareholders. Looking ahead, EA expects net bookings for FY26 to be between $7.6 billion and $8,000 billion, driven by upcoming releases like Battlefield and continued growth in live services.
And what about their dividend policy?
EA has declared a quarterly cash dividend of 19 cents per share, payable on June 18, 2025, which is a positive sign for income-focused investors.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 61 cents for this quarter. How did Electronic Arts perform against these expectations?
Electronic Arts significantly outperformed the analyst forecast with an adjusted EPS of 98 for Q4. This is a testament to their strong operational execution and cost management. For FY25, their diluted EPS was $4.25, and they are projecting a range of $3.9 to $3.79 for FY26, indicating a cautious yet optimistic outlook.
Strategic initiatives and product highlights. John, let's talk about some of the strategic initiatives and product highlights from EA's report.
EA Sports FC and The Sims have been standout performers, with The Sims achieving double-digit growth in Q4. Split Fiction also made a significant impact, selling nearly 4 million units since its launch in March. Looking forward, the anticipated launch of Battlefield in FY26 is expected to be a pivotal moment for EA, potentially driving further growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Electronic Arts has delivered a strong performance in FY25, with impressive profitability and strategic initiatives setting the stage for future growth. John, any final thoughts on EA's investment prospects?
EA's robust portfolio and strategic focus on new releases like Battlefield position them well for continued success. Their strong cash flow and shareholder returns make them an attractive option for investors looking for growth and income.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Electronic Arts' performance in the comments below.